Windows 10 used to feel fast. Then updates piled up, features stacked, and security updates ended. Tiny 10 Reborn takes that familiar system and rebuilds it for 2026. No clutter, extended updates, and the smooth performance people remember, and it feels like Windows 10 the way it should have stayed. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Stock Windows 11 often loads the start menu with things most users never asked for. Pinned shortcuts appear immediately. Roughly 34 apps arrive pre-installed. Many cannot even be removed. The result feels crowded and distracting. Now look at Tiny 10 Reborn. The start menu opens clean. No pinned apps waiting there. No bundled software installed by default. Everything starts minimal. Now let's check storage. A typical Windows 11 installation consumes around 37 gigabytes before you add anything. Your disk space begins shrinking the moment setup finishes. Tiny 10 Reborn follows a much leaner design. The complete system uses about 5.4 gigabytes. No unnecessary apps, no background packages, only the operating system. Memory usage shows an even bigger difference. Stock Windows 11 idles around 2.9 gigabytes on a 4 gigabyte system. Opening a single Chrome tab can already slow things down. Tiny 10 Reborn starts at roughly 1.1 gigabytes after installation. If you want it even lower, Velotic handles that. Open Velotic Pro. Go to Cleanup. Enable AI-managed cleaning. Within seconds, RAM usage drops close to 800 megabytes. This is automation removing overhead rather than adding it. Velotic is designed to optimize Windows for speed, stability, and control. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner. It is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother. Apps open faster. Stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time without breaking Windows. You get 500+ professional tweaks. One-click debloat. No guessing. Instant app installs. No setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the Debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the Info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. Now let's look at CPU load and background activity. Stock Windows 11 runs about 145 processes, roughly 1,700 threads, and around 63,000 handles. Even when idle, the system stays busy. Tiny 10 Reborn reduces this significantly. Around 100 processes, about 1,300 threads, and roughly 31,000 handles. Core functionality remains intact. Nothing critical disappears. Your processor spends time on your work, not background noise. Before looking at benchmarks, here's what makes this build unique. Tiny 10 Reborn keeps modern security features and extended support through 2026. You get a system that runs on almost any PC while staying secure and updated. Now let's start with the baseline. On this machine, stock Windows 11 scores 1,964 single-core and 4,635 multi-core. Those numbers reflect heavy background services and constant resource use. Now compare that with Tiny 10 Reborn. You might notice we compare it with Windows 11 instead of Windows 10. That is because standard Windows 10 is already out of support. Comparing against Windows 11 shows the performance difference without sacrificing security. The operating system runs lighter, so your hardware performs better. On the same hardware, Tiny 10 Reborn scores 2,538 single-core and 6,802 multi-core. Same system, much cleaner results. Now let's check Windows Defender. Tiny 10 Reborn puts that choice in your hands. Defender is disabled by default. Nothing runs unless you activate it. If you want protection, enabling it takes a moment. Open the Configure toolbox. Select Windows Defender. Press Enable, then restart the PC. Defender loads completely with full real-time protection. Now let's talk about Windows updates. Updates remain paused by default. Nothing installs automatically unless it is a critical security patch. If you want regular updates, open Settings, go to Updates, and resume them. You can also disable updates through the Configure app, although that is not recommended. Completely disabling updates can break the Microsoft Store and other features. Keeping them paused usually provides the best balance. The system remains stable while updates install only when you decide. Next, the Microsoft Store. It behaves exactly like a normal Windows system once updates are enabled. Tiny 10 Reborn ships without bundled applications. You install only the tools you want. Need Notepad, Calculator, or the snipping tool? Open the store, search for the app, and press Get. Installation finishes instantly. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account and access your purchased apps and games. In this example, the snipping tool launches immediately. Fast, responsive, ready to use. Tiny 10 Reborn is designed for people who want speed, privacy, and control. No lag, no clutter, no unnecessary background load. If you want stable performance on almost any PC, this premium build delivers exactly that. You can find the full installation guide for Tiny 10 in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.